I remember standing in my driveway staring at a mountain of wet leaves. My backpack blower wasn't cutting it, and my back was screaming. I bought a cheap walk-behind model, and well, it vibrated so violently I couldn't feel my hands for days. Finding a blower that delivers power without destroying your joints is tough. You need something reliable. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best walk-behind leaf blowers that solve this problem. Stick around because number 1 is a total game changer. DR Power X12. This one is best for homeowners with large, flat driveways who want decent power without a massive footprint. The Power X12 channels about 1,200 CFM of airflow, pushing out air at 200 miles per hour. That sounds incredible on paper, right? You get a solid 223cc engine that starts up relatively easily when the weather is warm and you are ready to get to work. When I took this unit out to the back lawn, it really struggled a bit with deeply matted wet leaves. The 16-inch rear wheels are great on smooth pavement, but the moment you hit a slight incline or damp soil, the maneuverability drops off fast. The adjustable 180-degree lateral air control is definitely a neat idea. You can blow leaves to either side without physically turning the whole machine around. Still, the adjustment mechanism feels a bit stiff out of the box, and you have to fight it occasionally to get the exact angle you want. You also get an adjustable handlebar height, which is a nice touch if you are noticeably taller or shorter than average. However, the machine vibrates far more than I expected it to. After just 45 minutes of clearing a property, my arms are definitely feeling the fatigue creeping in. The DR Power X12 gets the job done if you strictly have a flat, dry yard to maintain. But for heavy, wet yard work in the late fall, you might find yourself wishing for a bit more refinement. 6. Champion 212cc Push Blower. This blower is best for budget-conscious buyers who need a versatile machine for light to medium yard debris. Champion built this blower with a reliable 212cc 4-stroke engine that pushes 1,200 CFM at 150 miles per hour. It features an adjustable throttle, letting you dial back the power when you're working near delicate flower beds or loose gravel that you don't want to disturb. Well, while that throttle control is genuinely nice, the overall build quality leaves a little to be desired. The mostly plastic front components and housing feel like they might not survive a hard bump against a stone retaining wall or a heavy drop in the shed. One feature I actually like is the multi-directional front wheel. You can lock it for straight lines or unlock it to swivel 360 degrees. But when the yard gets heavily rutted or muddy, that front swivel wheel tends to dig into the dirt rather than glide over it, forcing you to constantly muscle the 104-pound machine around. The 3-position wind vane is decent for directing air slightly up or down. It definitely helps when you want to get under a stubborn pile of damp pine needles. I just wish the engine noise was better muffled, as it runs noticeably louder than some competitors in its exact class. If you strictly need a budget option for dry autumn leaves on a paved surface, this Champion model works fine. Superhandy Walk-Behind Leaf Blower. This machine is best for DIY landscapers who want raw power and heavy-duty steel construction at a highly reasonable price point. It completely changes the game with a massive 1270 CFM airflow and 150 mile-per-hour wind force that really packs a punch. When you're dealing with thick grass clippings or heavy caked-on dust across a massive driveway, you need pure air volume more than just speed. This machine moves a sheer wall of air that effortlessly clears wide paths in a single pass. The overall build quality here is a highly noticeable step up. The powder-coated, heat-treated steel frame feels incredibly sturdy and rugged. You can physically tell this thing was built to last multiple seasons without rusting out the moment you leave it in a damp garage. Maneuverability is also surprisingly smooth for a 91-pound machine. The 12-inch rugged rear wheels paired with the 8-inch swivel front wheel make turning around tight corners feel almost effortless. It actually glides over rougher terrain much better than the previous models I just mentioned. The Superhandy offers truly fantastic value for the money. The adjustable airflow angle lets you target debris precisely, and the engine runs smoothly on standard unleaded gas. It is a highly capable tool that makes clearing your yard feel a lot less like a punishing chore. Little Wonder Optimax LB270H leaf blower. This blower is best for serious property owners who demand commercial-grade efficiency and superior air routing technology. Little Wonder is a legendary name in outdoor equipment, and the Optimax shows exactly why they earned that reputation. Powered by a premium Honda engine, it delivers unmatched reliability and starts on the first pull almost every single time, no matter the weather. The real secret sauce here is their unique split-stream air deflector technology. Well, instead of just blasting air indiscriminately in one direction, it splits the airflow to move piles faster and further without any annoying blowback. It is genuinely impressive to watch in action. I took this through a thick, stubborn, wet oak leaves, and it carved a perfectly clean path straight down to the pavement. The all-steel impeller provides incredible suction and blowing force, pushing air at speeds that completely lift deeply matted debris right off the grass. You know, operator comfort is where this specific model really shines. The ergonomic handle design completely isolates your hands from the harsh engine vibration. I used this for over an hour straight and experienced absolutely zero fatigue, which is a massive win if you have a large property. The Little Wonder Optimax is built like an absolute tank, but handles like a lightweight sports car. It rolls smoothly, blasts through the toughest yard waste, and gives you a professional level clean without having to pay a professional landscaping bill. 3. MacKissic LB1100 Mighty Mac leaf blower. This unit is best for estate owners who need extreme velocity and heavy-duty durability for massive leaf piles. The MacKissic is a true powerhouse that absolutely does not mess around when it comes to yard care. It features a high-velocity centrifugal blower design that generates wind speeds up to 200 miles per hour, making it an absolute beast for intense autumn cleanups. The perfectly balanced housing means you can easily push it with just one hand. It literally glides over uneven, bumpy terrain, making it incredibly easy to maneuver closely around old trees and delicate garden beds. The front discharge design is engineered beautifully. It sweeps the air extremely close to the ground, which is perfect for dislodging those stubborn, trampled leaves that usually require a heavy metal rake. I mean, it saves you so much time not having to go back over the exact same spot twice. You get a solid commercial-grade engine that purrs quietly compared to the cheaper alternatives on the market. The heavy-gauge steel construction ensures that rocks or heavy sticks accidentally sucked up will not shatter or dent the main housing. It is truly built to endure serious punishment. The Mighty Mac gives you incredible peace of mind. It is tremendously powerful, built solidly right here in the US, and incredibly user-friendly. If you actively hate spending your entire weekend doing yard work, this machine will easily cut your clearing time in half. Number 2. Landworks Jet Sweep Push Blower. This blower is best for perfectionists who want maximum control, premium features, and a flawless clearing experience every time. It boasts a brilliant 7-horsepower engine that pushes an astonishing 2,000 CFM of air volume. That is quite literally enough power to clear an entire tennis court in a matter of minutes. The performance on this thing is just mind-blowing. Well, when you open the throttle completely, the sheer blowing force actually pushes the heavy machine backwards slightly. It handles soaking wet pine needles, heavy acorns, and even small broken branches as if they were nothing but dry dust. What really sets the Landworks apart from the pack is the intelligent flow angle control. You get a fully 90-degree adjustable chute that lets you put exactly the right amount of air precisely where you need it. You know, it completely eliminates the absolute frustration of blowing leaves into a nice pile only to have them scatter all over again. The all-terrain tires on this unit are massive and highly responsive. Pushing this over a soggy front lawn or a rocky, uneven driveway takes almost zero physical effort. The vibration isolation is top tier, leaving your hands and wrists completely comfortable even after extended periods of use. The Landworks Jet Sweep gives you commercial power with delightfully homeowner-friendly controls. It is incredibly satisfying to use, exceptionally durable, and tackles the absolute worst yard messes with complete and total ease. Scag Giant-Vac leaf and debris blowers. This absolute monster is best for professionals or large property owners who absolutely refuse to compromise on power and performance. This is not just a standard leaf blower, it is practically a hurricane on wheels. Powered by massive high-end commercial engines, these units deliver wind speeds and CFM ratings that simply dwarf every other piece of competition out there. The massive dynamically balanced impeller creates a thick wall of air so intensely powerful it can literally peel matted freezing leaves straight off the cold ground. I mean, nothing I have ever tested even comes close to this level of sheer, unadulterated clearing authority. The construction quality is rightfully legendary. It features a fully welded all-steel housing and a highly specialized air discharge chute that completely minimizes turbulence. That means every single ounce of raw engine power translates directly into moving your heavy debris further and significantly faster. You know, despite its rather massive size, the Scag Giant-Vac is remarkably easy to handle and push. The large pneumatic tires and perfect overall weight distribution mean you can turn it effortlessly on a dime. The ergonomic handles are thickly padded, totally eliminating any lingering hand numbness. The Scag Giant-Vac is the ultimate clearing solution. It is definitely an investment, but it will absolutely outlast and outperform everything else sitting on the market today. If you want the absolute best walk-behind leaf blower in existence, this is unequivocally it. Outro. That's all for today, folks.